Hey, 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 bienvenidos a esto que es la segunda clase o el segundo tema de inglés para restaurante. En esta clase vamos a ver lo siguiente. Tenemos cómo recibir y cómo sentar a nuestro comensal en el restaurante. Así que vamos a empezar con el tema de la clase de hoy, Receiving and Seating Guests. Primero vamos a ver cómo lo hace el mesero Fred. Y después, recuerden, vamos a sacar todos nuestros apuntes con los verbos y los sustantivos de lo que está haciendo el mesero. Ya que tengamos nuestros apuntes listos, vamos a ver, a separar los verbos y los sustantivos y después las frases que se necesitan para cada situación para cumplir esta habilidad de recibir y sentar al huésped, recibir y sentar en el restaurante. Este es el curso de trabajadores de restaurante para que hables inglés en tu restaurante. Así que lo vamos a hacer todo totalmente en inglés. Recuerda, si tú no puedes hacerlo totalmente en inglés primero, puedes hacer las clases junto conmigo, de la mano. Lo hacemos todo juntos tú y yo. Pero si tu inglés es un poco intermedio o avanzado, lo que puedes hacer es atacar la clase primero. Después de que veas tus apuntes, haces los ejercicios y luego te regresas a este video para checar tus respuestas. Si buscas un reto y tu inglés es un poco más avanzado. Si tú eres principiante y trabajas en el restaurante, entonces mejor vamos a hacer estos ejercicios y esta clase tú y yo juntos. ¿Ok? ¿Listos? Vamos a ver entonces. Tenemos receiving and seating guests. Class number 2. Class number 2. Receiving and seating guests. First, we're going to listen to today's topic. Listen to the narrator and let's see how Fred, the waiter, does it. Listen to the phrases the waiter uses. And take notes. Make sure you write all the verbs, all the nouns, all the verbs that the waiter is doing. After the class, we're going to check the notes. Okay, are you guys ready? We're going to get started. Receiving and seating guests. Hey, remember that you can do the exercises, the class, on your own, and then come back to the video and check your answers. If your English is advanced, if you're a beginner, English level is 0 or beginner, then let's watch the class together, me and you, and we can do the exercises together. And when your English gets better, then you can do the exercises by yourself first, and then come back to the video and check your answers. All right, receiving and seating guests. Let's look at Fred, listen, and follow with your eyes. Take notes, write down the verbs and the nouns.
Receiving and seating guests. Part 1. Text and dialogues. Fred greeted the people at the reception desk and asked if they had a reservation.
Good evening. Welcome to Chez Max. Do you have a reservation, sir? Yes, the name's Nichols.
He checked the reservation record and confirmed the details with the guest.
Ah, yes, Mr. Nichols. A table for 4 in smoking? Yes, that's right.
Fred showed Mr. Nichols and his party to table 14, which was reserved for them.
I'll show you to your table, sir. This way, please.
He asked if they were satisfied with the table.
Will this be all right, Mr. Nichols? Yes, this is fine, thank you.
Fred pulled out the chair of the lady guest closest to him.
Allow me, madam.
And slowly pushed the chair back into position as the guest was seating herself. Standing to the right of the guest, Fred picked up the napkin.
Excuse me, madam.
Folded it into a triangular shape and placed it on the guest's lap.
Excuse me, madam.
He told the guests that a waiter would attend to them soon.
Your waiter will be with you shortly. I hope you have a good dinner.
He then returned to the reservation desk. The next guests to arrive did not have a reservation. A table for 2 in smoking, please. We don't have a reservation. He checked the floor chart and found a table for them.
Yes, we have a table for you, madam.
Fred offered to keep their coats in the cloakroom.
Can I take your coats?
Oh, yes, thank you. He asked them to wait while the table was being prepared.
Would you mind waiting for a few minutes? We'll get the table ready for you now.
Excellent. Remember, you can listen to today's class one more time if you click in your resources here on the platform. If you click under resources, open up the little tab, you'll see an MP3 and you'll see the PDF for today's class. Now, let's listen to more expressions. We already heard Fred use his phrases to receive and seat the guest. Now, we're gonna listen to more expressions. And I have them right here on the second page. Check it out. You guys see right here, more expressions? That means every class has 2 or 3 options for the same phrase, for the same situation. The situation is in the pictures. So, they put a title on the phrases. Picture 1, picture 3, picture 5, picture 13, picture 14. Let's look at them together. Ready? Picture 1.
Part 2. More expressions. The following expressions can also be used.
Picture 1. Have you got a reservation, sir?
Have you got a reservation, sir? Have you got a reservation, ma'am? Next, picture 3.
Picture 3. Let me show you to your table. Could you follow me, please?
Picture.
Let me show you to your table. Could you follow me, please? Let me show you to your table. Could you follow me, please?
5. Let me help you, madam.
Let me help you, madam.
Picture 13. Yes, there's a table available.
Yes, there's a table available. Yes, there's a table available.
Picture 14. Would you like to leave your coats here?
Picture 15. I hope you don't mind waiting a few minutes. Could you please wait a few minutes?
Could you please wait a few minutes? Could you please wait a few minutes? I hope you don't mind waiting a few minutes. Would you like to leave your coats here? practice the phrases, and then go look at picture 15 and practice the other phrase that Fred is saying. Go look at picture 14, picture 13, picture 5, picture 3, and picture 1. Just go look at it. Go look at it and get all the phrases that you need. The pictures are right here. All right.